Check this out. Got a depth finder for my canoe. It's an expensive depth finder. Now the thing I don't want to do is put a 50-pound battery in my canoe. I can get a lawnmower battery, but that cuts it down to about 25 pounds. I'm going to show you how to make a 2.5-pound battery, 12-volt battery for your depth finder that's going to run for hours. First, let's reach into our project pan. That's what I call my project pan. I'm going to need 2 Duracell, only because I absolutely swear by Duracell. A little bit of low voltage wire, 14 gauge, some wire cutters, pair of pliers, black tape, alligator clips, project pan down. It's going to be pretty simple and pretty quick, so pay attention. Basically, I'm going to pull my alligator clips out. What we want to do is we want to hook these batteries into a series, which is going to give us 12 volts. If we hook them parallel, it'll give us 6 volts for a lot longer. What we want is 12. So let's pull this negative dilly bob off here. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to line these up to where I've got positive, negative. Then I'm going to tape it. Pull our tape out. I want these 2 batteries to stay together so they don't bounce around. So just use some black electrical tape. I'll start just by wrapping the first one around, and then I'll pick it up and put the squeeze on. Okay, so here we go. I like black electrical tape because a lot of times it's absolutely waterproof, super strong, especially when you wrap it this much. Not that I need a battery, it's waterproof, but the tape don't come off very easy. So now, here we go, 2 pounds. So now we need to cut off a piece of the 14 gauge wire. I only need a short piece. When I say short piece, I mean all I have to do is reach from one battery to the other. Stripped it loose, it's about a few inches, so I'm going to strip one side as a knife, which I have here. I got that one. Now what I want to do is go from positive one battery to negative to the other battery. So there's my negative and there's my positive. So I only need literally 2 inches, 2.5 inches of wire. I'm going to strip this side. Just like that. Now I want to put my gator clips on. So I'm going to shove that right in there. Right into the back of the gator clip. I'm going to put the squeeze down on it. Now if you have all the proper tools and proper pliers, that's probably a lot better. Nice and strong. This in here. And I'll put the extra squeeze on it. Voila. So now you have to hook the negative from one battery, positive to the other battery, and you'll hook your depth finder up to the negative of one battery to the positive of the other battery. Just like that. And let's see if we have 12 volts. Pow! Look at there. Works fantastic. Now I use Duracell because they are absolutely, positively one of the longest lasting batteries that I've ever used. Having used flashlights over the years, for many, many years, Duracell has absolutely been number one for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this fire up. I'm gonna put it on simulation and let you see it, just to make sure we got some good contact and you can actually see it. So here we go. All right, let me just go here. And we'll scroll down to settings. Select that, we'll scroll down to simulator. Ooh. Simulator, POW, simulate, enter. And here we go. And there you have it. So if you just look at that, this thing will run for hours. 2.5 pounds versus a 25-pound lawnmower battery that I used to use. It will also run your little aerator for several hours. It'll run your little air pump for a long time. And it'll find fish. Trust me when I say it'll find fish. There's a little tidbit of information. Here we have it. Negative one battery, positive the other. Do the same with your depth finder. You now have a 12-volt system for less. I bought these for, actually I got them on sale. So for 20 bucks, you got this, but I bought it for $8. Have an awesome day.